Today I'm going to demonstrate about designing in Android. So first, let me introduce to you about designing in Android. Designing an Android application is the process of creating the visual appearance and user experience of mobile app. It involves planning how the app will look and how it will work. A well-designed Android app should be simple, attractive, and easy to use, allowing users to navigate smoothly and complete tasks efficiently. The design process usually includes choosing layouts, colors, fonts, and interactive elements such as buttons and input fields. Android developers often follow Google Materials design guidelines, which provide a standard for consistency, usability, and modern statistics. By combining creative visual with functional usability, designing Android applications ensures that apps are not only functional but also enjoyable for users. So now let's try to create some basic design in Android. So let's go here and we can see the palette. Dari ta makakuha og mga text and images. So let's try put some images um, here. Uh, Butang na to ang flowers. Huwag mo sintro. Here. Ganito. Ah, yun na. So ayan pa butang og text. Ano na lang. Or ano na lang sa ubos. Okay. Mm. Oh, wait. Okay. Ato ang usbo na res attributes. So ayan ito lilis og flowers. Flower. Okay. So, ano na to? Para ano? Flower. Hindi mo maklaro. Gamay. Sa itong main. Uh, ito ning paon. Okay. Let's go back to main. So let's try to run this design. Wait. Okay. Wait. Let's try to run. Loading. Wait. Oh, here's the result, guys. Um, let's run again. Mm, yeah. Yes, yeah, guys. So, mo pa din ni ari ang naibuo, ano? So, basic pa. So, at least na natay gamay nga naibuan. So, mao ra to guys. Thank you kayo nya unta na may na sabtan pod gamay. So, mao ra to guys.